Morning. How are you?
Alright.
What? I'm alright. What day is it?
Moving day.
What day is it?
What do you mean? It's Thursday.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I run out
Do I
of
not look
questions.
it?
I run out of questions.
Was that it? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you prepared to be forever caravanning?
Prepared? No. Excited? Yes.
So, what are your two main tasks today?
I need to sort the freezer drawers out. Oh, poo pick up.
Yeah.
There's so much stuff that we have not done.
No, there isn't.
Yeah, we didn't mow the front lawn.
Okay, yeah, we didn't mow the gardens, and the back one we did do, but it's like shot up about 6 inches ago. This time of year, we're just not going to keep on it.
Oh, I'm not bothered about that.
Also, it rained last night, early morning.
I didn't know that.
So, it's as soon as the sun comes out, that bad boy's going to shoot up again. So, what else do we need to do today?
I didn't hose the back steps down.
That's fine, they don't need it. I've already unplugged the hose anyway.
Yeah. I didn't finish cleaning the bathrooms. They're clean, I think. They're just not de-limescaled.
Yeah. But apart from that, I sorted all the bathrooms out last night.
Yeah, you did.
Everything's done, everything's down. Upstairs is empty.
I feel like there's so much more stuff to pack, but
There isn't.
There isn't really. It's just a lot to do before I can go to sleep again. I didn't sleep very well last night.
I don't think there is that much actually. So I
feels
think
like there's a lot.
once we have unhooked the caravan and got the awning up, I think you're probably best to have a walk round site, maybe take the dogs a walk, and I'll start moving stuff out.
Yeah, I could do that. I think once we're out of the house,
we have to hand the keys in today.
Yeah.
Or tomorrow morning at the late. No, I think they have to be. Oh, I don't know.
I think once we're out of the house, I'll feel better. What's in my head? What's worrying me, it's stressing me out in my head, is the amount of stuff that has still got to go in the caravan or in the car. Or
do you know what? I think that is more in your head.
Probably.
Because there isn't actually that much. I mean, that looks like a lot behind you, like all the bedding stuff, but it's not, and it's not heavy. And then there is the fanny.
Hi, Fanny.
The monitor, all the electrical stuff, which I don't know if that's going to come in the car with us actually. I'd prefer that to be in the car.
Yeah.
So if the caravan does veer off the truck and end up in a field, then we haven't lost. We've only lost our worldly goods, but not the expensive electrical items.
Oh my God, don't. I'm terrified. I think also that's the other thing that's on my mind is actually getting the caravan hooked up on the back of the car in a way that it doesn't come off like it did last time, and getting it to site safely and parked up. And then the rest of it I'm fine with.
Without the truck, I want. Yeah, I think we'll be cool.
Yeah, it's just a lot on my mind. Things I'm worried about today.
Well,
And then
yeah.
I'll be excited.
Really? Are you going to put your excited face on?
I'm excited underneath.
Really?
Yeah, it's just buried
Wow.
beneath worrying.
Very buried, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Bug? Are you ready?
The dogs have got
Are you ready?
idea.
No
idea what's happening today. We're moving house.
Are you ready, my baby boy?
We're not going to come back
I'm
here
ready.
ever again after today.
Yeah, I do worry about the dogs actually. I think Dougal will be fine as long as he is with me. But yet he knows. So little black boy here is a rescue, so he doesn't. This is all he knows as a stable home. But he loves the caravan, so hopefully he will adapt. Ain't that right, boy? Callie is our princess dog. We've had her from puppy, so she only knows
This
love
house.
and being spoiled.
But she only knows this house.
And she only knows this house, yeah.
But she does also love the caravan.
She does.
And
They
she's
both
used-
love the caravan, and also they just love being around us. So
Yeah.
it doesn't matter where we are as long as they're there.
Yeah.
So hopefully,
They're not territorial like cats, are they?
no. Well, we'll find out soon. Well, we will find out.
I mean, to them, their territory is anything they wee on. So,
Well, I'm hoping that. Knowing that they're still going to get fed every day. As Callie is pretending to struggle to eat the massive carrot she's got. She just likes to wind Dougal up with it. And it is all over my bedding. It's beautiful.
it looks disgusting right now. Not gonna lie.
Right, I am actually going to start putting
I need
some
to-
stuff in the car.
I
So,
need to drink coffee.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, I drink coffee.
Also, I dyed my hair last night.
She
Yeah.
also dyed everything else with her fucking hair last night and had me cleaning the fucking car. Luckily, it comes straight out the carpet.
Let's do a little tour, actually.
Keep it under 10 and you can put it on TikTok.
You can put it on TikTok. I can't. So yeah, all of this stuff. Not that stuff. That's newer. It's all of this stuff here. Actually, yeah, that really isn't that much. It should be alright. And then I'll do a tour when all of upstairs is completely empty. I'll do a tour of the caravan before we set off. See you in a bit. Hi, we made it. It was a slow 20 minutes normal driving. Probably took us a lot longer than that. We did about 20-30 miles an hour the whole time here. And then it took about 1 million reversing and pull forwards to get the caravan in the right place. But we're here, we've managed to get it uncoupled. We've tied the dogs to the tree with the long leads. Like, oh, we're getting it. So now we're going to do the awning. So yeah, let's do that. So I forgot to do an inside of the caravan whilst it was full, but we're just unloading, and that is rammed. Like, is it even legal to carry this much stuff? And all of this space was full. Okay, I need to get out, it's too hot. Morning, it is Monday morning, bank holiday Monday morning. We haven't filmed very much in the last couple of days because I've been exhausted, just moving stuff and sleeping and trying to exist. So Friday we the house sale went through okay, that was good. We went to get some gas, couldn't get any gas. We did, after a couple of tries, manage to get a battery, or was that Saturday? Friday we got a battery. Oh my god, it was just, we went to a lot, no, it was Friday, we went to Halfords on Friday. Anyway, Saturday we already had to take a load of stuff to the lock-up because we had all of the stuff with us that we wouldn't take to Spain, because that was sensible. And then after trying to fit everything into what little space we had, we realised that was ridiculous and we couldn't go back to the lock-up before we go to Spain. So we put a load of stuff into storage on Saturday, went and did some other errands, then slept. And then Sunday we tried to connect everything, connect the water. Oh, we connected the electricity on Saturday, connected up the battery, so we have lights, that was good. Water is still a bit of a contentious issue, so everything works, but the pump doesn't click into the housing properly, so it sprays when it pumps, and then that means that our water pressure's off, which means that the gas heating pump won't work. It's a whole thing. Kelly did repair the tap because that was leaking. That was all yesterday.
That was the kitchen tap.
Oh yeah, the kitchen tap. So it's like,
the water is connected. The pump that goes from the water butt into the caravan, is the clip's broken on it, so we need to get some new clips. We got a new pump and realised that it was the wrong pump for a start, and we can just buy some clips. The waste is all hooked up, the toilet's all usable. It's just forgetting all these things that I did. The gas is all connected.
Oh yeah, the gas. So we had to go to like 7 different places to find gas.
Easily.
And then in the end it was home base.
Yeah, we got flow gas instead of a colour gas bottle.
Yeah, so we have got gas. Yeah, we've got a working toilet now, which is nice because where we are on the campsite, the toilets are right at the other end, so that makes a lot of difference. We are supposed to be moving pitch tomorrow. Yes, today or tomorrow. Same campsite, just different pitch. Well, we should have a better electricity and water hookup and waste thing when we move. So it's getting better day by day. I wish I'd filmed it all, but we were just too knackered. So today we were gonna get, we need to go and get the pump refunded that we bought yesterday because it was the wrong pump.
Hey, gorgeous boy.
Try and get the water sorted. I'm sure we've got some other things we need to do today.
I need to empty the wastewater because I need to learn how to conserve water, so I washed the pots with the tap running continuously and filled it up. I have that, I don't like bubbles. Yeah, hold it yourself. I think we need to prepare to move the caravan because we need to take the awning down, and all the crap that we've got in the awning needs to be moved.
Also, we've got, which I'm really excited about, we haven't put it up yet, this caravan skirt. It's got storage compartments here, so you can like put suitcases, well, God knows what we'll be putting in it, dog food probably. Dogs.
Me, I'll be sleeping in one.
So what I've learned so far is that if it doesn't fit into a cupboard in the caravan, don't bring it. I mean, it's different if you're going on holiday to living in the caravan.
Oh yeah,
but
nightmare. You can't move.
When I think about the people who live in van life, in vans, Like, they just have one tiny cupboard for all of their clothes, and it's like, wow, that is clothes
Something
goals.
to aspire to.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. So we're gonna finish our coffee.
Return the pump, look for some clips, chat with the man who runs the site.
We still haven't got permission to film anything on site, so everything we film is like, don't want to film anything of the campsite yet. Or say where we are, just in case we upset them. So, yeah.
Although I've already put it on Facebook.
Yeah. Come on.
Oops.
Never mind.
Yeah. We'll show you around if I manage to get the clips sorted. Oh, okay. Charlie's
I'm just going to show you inside.
Coffee, yeah. No, I mean round the side.
Oh, yeah. I'll show you inside Chaos. So there's stuff all over the floor. Even though we've done the washing up, there's still more to go. That stuff's actually clean and dry. Chaos. So we recorded a YouTube short on the Thursday or the Thursday before we moved out, and Kelly captioned it, "Caravan's looking a bit cluttered," and we looked back at that the other day and thought, wow, that looks empty. So these are our clothes at the moment. There's just way too much stuff in there. Just every little nook and cranny is rammed. Quick look in the bathroom. The bathroom's actually alright. One room sorted. But yeah, the amount of stuff I had to move this morning just to make a coffee was immense. So more sorting stuff out. Let's have a quick trip round. Dog food bottles there, a very full waste thing there. And water thing here. So what we need to fix is that this clip is on top and there should be another one there, but that's broken off, so I don't know what we're going to do about that. How are we going to fix it? So yeah, that's our day. We haven't changed any addresses. Well, that's not true. I've changed 2 addresses. One of them was Costa and the other one was Go Outdoors. 2 very unimportant address changes. So yeah, we are way behind on our list of things to do, but it's getting there one day at a time, innit?
Yeah, definitely. Time's something we've got at the minute, so what we actually need to do is, once we are on a proper solid pitch, we can level everything up, get the house set up, get rid of all the crap, we can then put more effort into editing and putting some content out, and then once we've done that, just getting out and about and doing things, enjoying stuff. There's some beautiful walks around here. There's loads of horses, alpacas or llamas, whatever they are. Yeah, it's a lovely area. Lots of stuff to do.
Yeah, can't wait. Can't wait to do all the things. There's lots of YouTube shorts up already. Be sure to go check those out.
Yeah, some TikTok stuff up.
Yeah. Right, see you in a bit as we're out and about.
Hello. So Charlie's just returned the pump to Go Outdoors, and she'll close the window now a little bit so you can hear me. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, unfortunately they don't have any of They don't have a replacement pump to the one we want for a start, and they also don't have any of these little flag type clips, which sucks. So Home from Home has let us down. So we are going to a shop at Sawley Marina to see if they can help. I've rang another caravan place up as well, and the guy was quite helpful, but he says they haven't got any in stock, which is not helpful. So yeah, fingers crossed Sawley Marina has some, and then we can get it replaced. What do you say, Char?
Yeah. I found the marina shops. So a while ago we went to Beeston Marina with a friend just for a day out, and they had a shop there, and it was absolutely rammed full of every kind of connection and didgeridoo that you can think of. So I'm hoping that this one at Sawley Marina might be the same. Otherwise we're going to have a trip to Beeston as well today. Yeah. See if we can film something at the marina, that'd be quite nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super duper.
After trying 4 places, driving all the way around Nottinghamshire, Gloucestershire, Derbyshire, I'm not even sure. I've tried several chandleries, that's the word I was trying to think of earlier. Tried some caravan places, nothing. So we still don't have the flap, so we're still going to be waterless when we get back. But Kelly is super grumpy today. So in the last shop I got her some crisps and chocolate to make her feel better. I'm just waiting for her to come back to the car with the dogs because she took them for a little stroll. Then we're getting a bit grumpy being in the car as well. I'll see if I can film our reaction. She probably won't let me. Anyway, I'm here at the moment at Beeston Marina. I wanted to take a video down by the marina, but I forgot. Oh, you can't see. There's a field behind me. Yeah, waiting for Kelly. I don't know if you can see her in the distance, but she's there. Grumpy wife, happy dogs.
Oh, okay. You got me some things.
Yeah, I've got you some things.
Right.
Got those.
Ooh, smoked pheasant and wild mushroom.
I got another.
These sound fucking amazing.
Yeah. Some Haribos.
You got me some sugar because I'm Mardy.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah, lime bar.
Oh, I'm recording you and not any of the things that I get out.
Oh, I thought you wanted the lime bar. Thank you. Oh yeah, some Oasis. It's always good.
Got some hand gel because we needed some more. There's something else in here. Can't get it.
That's your phone. Yeah, lovely. What is it? Come on.
Oh. Yes, that's it.
Oh, okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Nice one, Poo Poo.
2 crisps, 2 chocolate, 2 flapjacks,
And a
packet of
drink.
sweets and a drink.
Nice. Yeah, good. Oh, did you get them for you?
I got them. I got 2 different flavours, an interesting and a plain, in case you didn't like them. I just wanted to get you a bit of a choice. Chocolate chip flavour or strawberry jam flavour flapjack.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to cheer you up.
Oh, thanks. I was good.
Happy Tuesday morning. So, well, actually it's afternoon now, it's just gone lunch. We're moving pitch today, just up the path. So we're packing everything up. So this is the caravan in its current state. We have, oh, I can actually close that. We've packed
Wait,
up,
wait, 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 wait.
packed up the awning. Try and come out backwards.
I was going to put that down. Maybe come over.
Awning is gone. Well, it's not gone in that corner. So we just need to make sure everything's stable.
We need to put all the shit and filth that we've collected into the caravan.
It's alright, buddy. It won't be long. We can't move to the other pitch until 1 o'clock, so it is 22 now, so we've got 20 minutes to make everything safe and secure, and then we'll try and see if we can record the move. New pitch, fun and games. Let's see if we can record us getting it level. I don't know if you could see that. We were proper head scratching as to why that wouldn't level out. Turns out we had the jockey wheel down. We made it, we pushed it through, rookie error. Good morning. It's Wednesday. Inside of the caravan. Well, we haven't tidied it up yet, but it's a lot better than it has been. So we've sorted out all of that. Still need to do some washing up and tidy up there, but I've sorted out all of these cupboards. It looks messy. All the clothes are outside. It's the awning that's a big difference. Sorry about that. Bathroom with our dirty laundry bag in it. We have running water. We finally figured out hot running water. Got water, we've got electricity, gas, all of the things. And then the awning. So we've got our fridge there, and a little table. Got our caravan table out. We've got the camp bed is like a sofa. Our clothes are in the corner. Suitcase there, chair there. I'm just going to let the dogs out for a minute because they're going a bit cray. Some storage there for tool bottles. We've got the skirt on, and there is so much storage in these pockets. We've got a suitcase and some other stuff in the one down there. We've got some dog stuff in a little pocket there. There's another pocket there that we haven't got anything in. Drinking water, dog's water. And then there's a storage pocket there that we haven't used yet. Feed the dogs outside. Park the car there. Sweet. Now that we're all set up on our new pitch, I'm gonna edit some videos. Oh yeah, so funny story. Let me show you where the dogs are tethered. So we've got the tethered things just here. I don't know if you can see that, just there. We thought, oh, we'll move them down to here, make the lead a bit longer so that they can come in here and just be on the long tethers. Tried to move it, wouldn't go in the ground. We've got a wooden spoon to do the turning. Wooden spoon broke. And we discovered that Kelly has no patience.
That's not a discovery, is it really?
No, not really, no. So now Kelly's playing paracord with, I don't even know what she's doing. I'm sure she'll tell us later when she's figured it all out. We'll just let her play bushcraft. Right, on to editing.